Hello, welcome to my channel. In this session we are going to discuss linear equations of two variable based on time and distance sums. Okay, so you must be wondering, oh, we did it in 7th class and 8th class, what is there again to do? But little bit different from those sums. There what they say, they in the question what will be there? Distance they will give, distance will be there and time will be there, find the speed. Yeah, speed they will give, then the distance will given and time you have to find. But here is little bit different. So this question I picked from R.D. Sharma, example 1, page number 3.93. So we know already formula, that is what, speed equals to distance upon time, this one, and from, so when you cross multiply speed into time equals to distance. If you want to find out, suppose speed and time is given, you can find distance. If time is asked and speed and distance if it is given, then how you will do? Distance divided by speed. This way we shall find out the speed, distance and time. Okay. Now in this question what is saying, that two points are there on the highway, point A and B. They are how much? The difference, the distance between point A and B is 90 kilometer. First in this question generally it comes, first they go in same direction. That means suppose let's say this is north or south, yeah, some point, this is some anything, east or west, whatever may be, east and west you can say. So suppose if it is going this side, so suppose one car is here, another car is here, so they start from east to west. That means this direction the car will go, the car from A will go this direction only, and car B is here. So this will also go from the east, east is left hand side, west is right hand side, then this will also go this way, east to west. Okay, so this is what, same direction you can do it. This is same direction. Suppose if they in opposite direction, let's say this is west and east, I will say this what, this town plan is, this side is west is there and this side east is there. So these two cars are again moving in opposite direction at the same time. So car A is here, car B is here. Opposite direction means this car will go this side, A will go this side, okay, and B will, so what, west to east. Opposite direction means this one will start from east and it will come towards the west. Both will meet at same time. If they go somewhere they will meet, suppose let us say in this, here they meet. That means what, in same direction they will move this side, this one will move this side and this one. So the distance between A to B is what, 90 kilometers. The distance between A to B is 90 kilometer. Car is starting from A and the car is starting from B and they are going the same direction, means they will go ahead. Since this car is, they will meet at this point. Let us say this point is Q. So at this point they are meeting. So A is traveled from A to the car A, the car from A, it traveled within that stipulated time, it started from A and reached over here Q in same time. That means 7 o'clock if it started, suppose let us say 10 o'clock it reached. That means 3 hours it took, in 3 hours it reached over here, because the car speed must be different and B's car must be different, because B started here and reached here and took the same 3 hours time. 7 o'clock both of them started and both of them met at 10 o'clock here. That means this distance is small. So how you will find out? This EQ, suppose AQ minus BQ if you do, you will get what? AB. The distance will be 90. AB distance, how you will find? The distance from between AQ minus BQ will give you AB. Here what? Suppose they met here Q, at point Q they met it. So what is that? How you will do? This distance EQ plus AQ will become what? 90 kilometer. Here what? The distance travelled by A plus this distance travelled by B will be, both together will be 90 degree. In opposite direction you have to add it up. in same direction if you are going, one car's distance minus another car distance. Okay, this is the funda, nothing else. Let's start doing the question. Now what is saying? Point A and B on a highway is how much apart? 90 kilometers apart from each other. So let us say this is the, so A and B, 2 points are there on the highway. Highway is going like this way, it is going on, isn't it? So a car from here, let us say car P is started from here and another car is Q. Let car P started from A and car Q started from the point B. Let speed of car P equals to x kilometer per hour, x kilometer per hour, Q equals to y kilometer, Q is y kilometer per hour. Okay, so now after what time? After certain time, both of them, they are in the what? In the same direction. If they travel in same direction. Same direction means P is moving this way, isn't zoom like that going, and this one is very little bit slow car must be, so this is also going zoom, and both of them will meet over here. Let us say R, here they met it, both of them. In how many hours? So he is saying what? In apart from each other, a car starts from A, another car at the same time, they go in the same, okay, they are going in the same time, same direction, they met in 9 hours. They took how much? 9 hours they took it. This one also from here to here, this one also took how much? 9 hours. So how much distance traveled? Distance traveled by P equals to what? Speed. What is our formula? Speed equals to distance upon time. So speed into time equals to distance. So what is our distance travel? Distance is what? Distance we don't know. So what is the distance we are finding out? What is the speed? Speed is what? X. Into time is how much? Within 9 hours, so 9, that means 9x. So the distance from here to here distance is what? 9x kilometers. Got it? So then distance traveled by car Q, then y into 9, that is 9y. That means from here to here it took how much? 9y kilometers. Got it? So now AB distance, that means PQ distance equals to what? PR minus QR. So PR minus PR up to this minus this is what? QR equals to distance will be what? PQ. PQ means what? PQ equals to AB. PQ equals to AB. So PQ equals to how much? 90 kilometers. Got it? So now let's do it. Okay, in first equation. Therefore, the PQ is how much? 9x minus 9y equals to 90. तो 9 you take out common, x minus y equals to 90, x minus y equals to 90 upon 9, 9, 10. So x minus y equals to 10. This is our first equation. Now second case we shall do. Second case what is saying? Second case he is saying if they go in opposite direction. Opposite direction. So now let's say this is A and B points. So this one P is starting this side, this way, and Q is starting from this side. Both has been. So this is the point. So this is P, Q, this is R. This is R. Okay. So the in how many hours? After how many hours they met it? If they go in the same direction, they met in 9 hours. If they go in opposite direction, they meet in 9 upon 7 hours. Time is what? 9 upon 7 hours. So distance of car P equals to speed is what? X into 9 upon 7. Speed into time. So 9x upon 7. Distance of car Q equals to 9y upon 7. So now according to the question, 9x upon 7 plus 9y upon 7 equals to 90, isn't it? The distance between these two is what? 90 kilometer. From here to here 90 kilometer. This one they travel how many? 9 upon 7 hours. Now let's take the LCM. 7 9x plus 9y equals to 90. So that implies 9x plus 9y equals to 630. This is our second equation. Now let's take first and second equation by taking x minus y equals to 10. This is first equation. Then second equation is what? 9x plus 9y. X plus y into 9 equals 630 and x plus y equals to 630 upon 9 70. X plus y equals to 70. This is our. Now let's do the question. Okay, x minus y is 10, x plus y equals to 70. This is our second equation. Now you see you can eliminate y by elimination method. Elimination method. So by adding equation 1 and 2, x minus y equals to 10, x plus y equals to 70. Now gone. So 2x equals to 80. Now x equals to 80. This one 2x multiplication, other side when it comes divide. So now you 2 टेबल में जाएगा ये 40. तो x इक्वल्स टू हमारा 40 आए. ये ऐसे करेंगे लेकिन लास्ट आंसर क्या पूछा वही लिखना है. अब नाउ टू गेट द y वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट x वैल्यू इन इक्वेशन 1. x minus y equals to 10. X minus y equals to 10. Then x is what? 40. This is 40. This is 40. x के जगह में 40 डाल दिए. Minus y equals to 10. So minus y equals to 10 minus 40. Minus y equals to minus 30. दोनों साइड से माइनस हैं. Get cancel है ना. Therefore y equals to क्या आया? y equals to 30. तो क्या पूछा, उनका स्पीड पूछा. नाउ देयरफॉर द स्पीड ऑफ कार started from point A equals to 40 किलोमीटर्स पर आवर. ये यूनिट नहीं लिखने से हाफ मार्क कट जाता है, और आंसर हाईलाइट नहीं करोगे तो 1 मार्क कट जाता है. इसलिए ज़रूर ये यूनिट लिखना है. 40 करके छोड़ देना है. 40 मतलब क्या है, गधा या घोड़ा या क्या है, भूत या प्रेत क्या है. तो इसलिए 40 को किलोमीटर पर आवर करके हमेशा जब लास्ट आंसर में उसको यूनिट ज़रूर लिखना है. सो द स्पीड ऑफ कार started from point T लिखना भूल गए, देखा यहाँ, from point B equals to 30 किलोमीटर पर आवर. दिस इज़ द आंसर. ऐसा करके फिर आंसर को हाईलाइट करोगे तब जाकर फुल मार्क्स मिलता है. ठीक है. So thank you very much by watching my video. If you are new, please subscribe, and if you like my video, please press the like button. Thank you.